Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of space technology news is Nokia defense to provide secure connectivity for Finnish border guard counter-drone initiative across land and maritime operations. Nokia has joined a Finnish Nordic industrial consortium led by the Finnish border guard to develop next-generation counter-drone capabilities. The initiative will focus on patrol vehicles and boats and is intended to strengthen border security across land and sea. Nokia's defense unit will provide an intelligent network solution for secure, high-performance connectivity, real-time data exchange and interoperability across systems. The company said the work will support border security duties, surveillance, protection of territorial integrity and the safeguarding of critical infrastructure. The initiative supports the Finnish border guard's goal of building a sovereign and integrated counter-unmanned aerial systems and threat detection capability. The system is planned for nationwide deployment. By connecting platforms, sensors and command and control systems, the solution is designed to improve real-time situational awareness. Nokia said it will also enable faster and more coordinated responses to evolving multi-domain threats. Nokia said its role reflects the growing importance of trusted and intelligent connectivity in modern defense and border security. As drones become more accessible and widely used, the company said threat detection, sensing and connectivity must work together to protect personnel, infrastructure and mission effectiveness. Through the consortium, Nokia Defense will work with key partners to support a scalable and future-ready system. The system is intended to align with national and allied requirements. Mikko Hautala, Chief Geopolitical and Government Relations Officer and Chairman of Nokia Defense, said, "Reliable, secure connectivity is becoming essential to how defense organizations detect, understand and respond to fast-moving threats." By contributing Nokia's intelligent connectivity and sensing technology to this consortium, we are helping build an operational and interoperable solution that gives border authorities the real-time awareness and resilience they need in complex land and maritime environments. The Finnish Border Guard initiative includes the procurement and deployment of evaluation platforms, connectivity and sensing capabilities, and system integration. Nokia said the solutions will be evaluated during 2027 and early 2028. Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @electronics technology 50.